Okay, so I have parented all of the items in the scene to the empty that I named patients. We can see that there's some issues with these items. Now, if I rotate as a whole, it's what I would expect. But still, there's we can see that the center or the origin for most of these items is in fact at the world origin. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab things as a whole and I'm going to move them to the world origin. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little snippet here, and it'll be something to the effect of just it should be able to be just obj.location, and I can say that it equals 000. Now, of course, I need to put my commas in. But I'll go ahead and let's just take a look here. I'm going to delete patients. I will delete nose tip and rerun everything minus the importing the STLs, and we'll see if this ends up where I would expect. So let's go ahead and run. Okay. Again, things have been parented to patients, and it looks as if patient has been moved to the specific to the world origin. Um, so we're good there.